8th class student, exercise 3B. Second question is, first question, write in summary. Second question is, write this type. 196, do the factor. 196, 2 divided by 9, 49, 7 7 ja 49. Write the prime factor. 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Make the pair. Write in square form. 2 square into 7 square. Write in one bracket. 2 into 7. 7 2 ja 14. 14 is even number. Number is square of even number. First part complete. Second part is number is 441. Do the factor. 441, 4 4 ja 8 and 9 divided by 3, 147. 3 is 49, 7 7 ja 49. तो write the factor. 7 into 7. Make the pair. 3 square into 7 square. Write one bracket. 3 into 7. After multiply 7 3 ja 21 square. 21 is not even, odd number. So number is not square of even number. Fifth part is 325. 325 do the factor. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. 3 divided by 27. 3 divided by 9. 9 divided by 3 and 3 1 the 3. Write the factor. 2 into 2. 3 into 3 and 3 into 3. Make the pair. 2 square into 3 square into 3 square. Write in one bracket. 2 into 3 into 3. After multiply 9 2 ja 18. So number is square of even number. Second question complete. Third question, it is same. First part is First part number is 484. Do the factor. This time is odd number. Only this change. Question number 2 and 3. Do the factor. 484 divide by 2 divide by 2 divide by 11. Write the factor. 2 into 2 into 11 into 11. Write the square form. 2 square into 11 square. Write in one bracket 2 into 11. After multiply it, 11 to the 22. 22 is not odd number. 22 is a even number. So write here this is not square of odd number. Second part is number is 961. 9. Do the factor. 15, 16 not divisible. 7 1 ja 7 is 2. 7 3 ja not divisible by 7. 11 9 ja 11 8 ja not divisible by 11. 13 31 3 ja and 1. 31 into 31 will be factor. 31 square. Number is 31 is a odd number. So number is fifth part is 4225. Do the factor. 4225 divide by at first 5 8 ja 5 4 ja और 5 5 ja 5 1 ja 5 16 9 169 divide only 13 into 13. Write the factor. 5 into 5 into 13 into 13. Make the pair. Write in square form. 13 square and 5 square. Write in one bracket 5 into 13. After multiply 13 5 is 65. 65 is a odd number. 3 question is complete. Question 4 is without adding the find the sum. First part 1 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. Count the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Write the 7 square. 7 square will 49. Only you count the number. Question number 4, first part. Second part, as 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 all is the odd number. 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. Count the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 is 10 square. 10 square will 100. Third part, you can solve question number 5. Question number 5, reciprocal question number. First part, x brackets 81 write the add sum of 9 odd number. So you write the 1 plus 3. Next odd number is 5 plus 7 9 1 2 3 4 5. 13 15 should be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. 9 will be 17. 81 is equal to 9 square. First part is complete. Third part is second part. 100 is equal to 10 square. This time write the prime first 10 odd number. 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 15 17 and 19. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Question number 5 is complete. Question number 6. 6 is write the Pythagorean triplet whose the smallest number. Question number 6, first part. Smallest number 2m is equal to 6. Write the column 2m m square minus y1 and m square plus 1. Pythagorean triplet called. Here is value 2m is equal to 6, m is equal to 6 upon 2, 2 3 is 6, m value we find the 3. So first column you write the 6, second column is right, m value is 3, m square minus 1, 3 square minus 1, 3 1 square is equal to 9 minus 1, after minus is 8. Third column is m square plus 1. M value is 3, 3 square plus 1, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So third column write the first part, it is solved. Second part, 2m value this time is 14. At first find the value of m. 2 7 m value is 7. First column will be 14. Pythagorean triplet. M value is 7. Second column is m square minus 1. M value is 7. 7 square minus 1. 49 minus 1 is equal to 48. 48 will be second. Third column 79. 49 plus 1 is 50. 14 and 48 and 50 will be third. Fourth part is 20. 2m is equal to 20. M is equal to will be 20 upon 2 is 10. M value we find the 10. 10 square 100 minus first column will be 20, 99 and 100. Thank you.